Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see how to install Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. First open your favorite browser and search for Visual Studio. Then you can see the Visual Studio Code, the official website for the Visual Studio. Click on that website. Then here you will get a download option for Windows and other system. So just click on this drop down. So we are going to install it for Windows. So click on Windows. So it will navigate to the next page and it will start automatically downloading. You can see our downloading started. If it is not started automatically, you can see here they have given link to download, so we can download directly from this link as well. So our downloading is started. Let's wait till downloading complete. So our downloading is completed. Let's open the folder to install. So to install it, double click on this application. Now here we have to accept the agreement, then click on next. Now this is the path where your Visual Studio will get installed. So if you want to change this path, you can change that from clicking on browse button, then click on next. So I am keeping this path as it is. Click on next. Then this is the folder name. If you want to create shortcut for this, then you can just click this checkbox, then click on next. Now here it will add the path automatically. It is required. So if we uncheck this box, we need to set the path manually, but we are going to add this. Then if you want to create a desktop icon, you can just check this box. So I am going to create desktop icon, then click on next button. Now click on install. So it will start installing. Now you can see our Visual Studio is installed. Let's finish. So to open it, it is automatically open. So if it is not automatically open, our desktop icon is created. Also we can search it from the start. So Visual Studio we can see. So in this way you can install Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 operating system. So in next videos we will see how to run different languages on this Visual Studio.